we are in Vietnam. Beside me is the local brand BRV 2023. Today we will use the Lonsdor K518 Pro and Lonsdor Honda key to make a new key for this car. Okay, let's go. Okay, now inside the car, so let's now place this key. Okay, now we will generate the two keys with this car. Okay, first one. Use this one. Choose Honda and the BRV. Choose after 2021. Okay, generate. Okay, first one key is the generation suggestion. Now we choose the second one. Choose this one. Okay, generation successful. Now our two keys is generation. Okay, now we have three keys, the original key. So we will program this to Honda key for Lonsdor with the car. First, choose the IMO and remove. Choose Honda. Select by vehicle. Choose BRV and after 2021 smart key. Okay, we will choose the all smart key locks function to program the key for the car. Choose OK. Please notice that all keys will be deleted and click OK. Take all smart key out of the car. Okay, now we take all smart key out of the car. Click OK. Take one smart key into. Okay, we take this original key inside. Press the start button twice. Okay. Yes, because the car is after 2021, so click the OK. Programming three keys. Click OK. Take out another smart keys. Okay, now we put this one to be programmed inside the car. We will change another one inside the car. Okay, now we change another one. Turn off the ignition. Then turn on. Please make sure the security light is extinguished. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Then turn on. Key card is 3. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Click OK. Okay, now 3 keys is programming with the car. This one is the original key. Now we will test these 2 keys, the remote function. First one, this one. Lock. Unlock. For this one. Lock. Unlock. 2 keys work normal. Yeah, so the remote function is all good. Now we test the smart function with our Lonsdor Honda key. Okay, we'll test this one at first. Okay, we only leave this one inside the car and take away another keys. Okay, now push the car and start button. Function is normal. Yeah, it means the start function is good. Now we change another one. Push the car and turn on the ignition. Okay, the smart function is good. Okay, 2 keys. The smart function is normal. So programming successfully. Use Lonsdor K518 Pro and Lonsdor Smart Key for Honda. Programming this 2023 BRV is so easy.